Good afternoon, everybody. It's time for another vocabulary lesson. In this video, I will be talking to you about tools, things you can buy at a hardware store, like Home Depot, Canadian Tire, Rona. Those are some examples of hardware stores in Canada. Here, I have a toolbox, and I will be showing you the different tools that are found on and in this toolbox. So let's begin with the first one. Do you know what this is called in English? It's a hammer. We use a hammer to hammer nails. And in a few moments, I will show you some examples of nails. Here, this black tape, there's a name for this. It's called electric tape. Electric tape. Now I'm going to open up this toolbox. I'll put the toolbox here. Or maybe I'll put this down so it won't cover the screen too much. Oh, we have this object here. Do you know what this is called? A screwdriver. A screwdriver. Here, before we talked about, what is this called again? You've got it, a hammer. Well, we use a hammer to hammer a nail. Now, this is a long nail. We also have fingernails, but that's not the same thing. These are fingernails. We also have toenails on our feet. And this is simply a nail. Next. Up. What are these called? Pliers. Pliers. You can use pliers to yank out stuff. Pliers. Here we have a tape measure to measure things. Tape measure. Oh, we have another screwdriver. Now, did you remember that? Screwdriver. Oh, what is this in English? It's called a wrench. Plumbers, those are people who repair sinks, toilets, pipes. Plumbers use wrenches like this, a wrench, to fix the pipes. Let's see. I see I have a lot of screwdrivers. Here's a tiny one here. Oh, there we go. We talked about screwdrivers. Well, we use a screwdriver to screw in screws. This is a screw. We also have here, let's see, this little thing. If you shop at IKEA, for example, when you buy something that you have to set up at your home, you might have to use this. Let's say you bought yourself a bookcase. That's a piece of furniture to place your books in. You might have to use this. This is called an Allen key. Allen key. And maybe just to finish off this video, I have here, you might see this often in schools. Can you see it? This is a thumbtack. Thumbtack. This is your thumb, and this is a thumbtack. We use our thumb to press it, say, into the wall to hold up a poster, a piece of paper, a thumbtack. So those were just some of the things that was in my tool case, or toolbox, I should say. So thank you for watching this video. Of course, play this video again so you can remember the words. a good idea is when we see a new word to try to visualize, imagine the object in our heads. For example, if I say screwdriver, that you can picture this, that you see a screwdriver in your head. It helps you to remember. So take care, everybody, and happy English learning. Goodbye.